This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming compatibility. Check your Android version and whether the manufacturer locks the emoji font. Once done, back up critical data, at minimum messages and keyboard settings, because replacing system fonts can break input. Next, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so your PC can communicate with the device. Install ADB platform tools on your computer and verify the device shows up with a DB devices. Now you're ready to extract or prepare the emoji font file for installation. Now perform the core replacement. Mount the system partition read-write through a DB root or TWRP. Locate the emoji font file, commonly named Noto Color Emoji, TTF or similar in /systems/fonts, and move it to a safe backup name so you can restore if needed. Transfer your replacement emoji font from the PC with a DB push, then set permissions to RWRR and owner to root. Improper permissions break the font. Once the file is in place, clear any font caches and ensure SE Linux mode permits the change before reboot. Reboot your phone and test in multiple apps, messaging, keyboard, and social platforms to confirm the new emoji render correctly. If you see tofu boxes or crashes, immediately restore the backed up font file and reboot, then inspect SE Linux denials or logcat output for permission errors. For devices that prevent system font changes, install a Magisk module that injects an emoji font at boot or use a keyboard app that bundles color emoji as an app-level workaround. One key tip: always keep your original backup accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.